standalone Otis Gen2 ReGen MRL at Queen's Wharf in the city. We'll go down to level 0. Door close button does not work, I don't like that. There's the Otis plate. Gee, that's not good at all. We'll do a cab view. About up there is the speaker. Maximum load 2,000 kilos, 26 persons. The Otis plate says installed 2023. But like that part there says installed 2021. Have a great look at it. Go up to level 4. Jeez, takes a while to close. I like this having speakers. Nice and spacious. Take a quick look at it. There it goes. And that's it.